what's up guys? So today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to cook with new pairs and the complete setup I used to get from 200 to 10k in a few days from less than just 10 trades. So first of all, let me show you a couple of the trades that I took on this wallet. So as you can see, I made almost 2 sold from this, and I had almost first entry because me and my friends were looking for derivatives to a coin called Buzz, which is a coin that Grok made. And when we clicked on this coin, it was similar to Buzz, and it was actually a continuation of the conversation. So the narrative was really good. We got in really early, and it looks like we sold way too early because, as you guys can see, went all the way to 200k, but we still made some P on it. And then over here we have make Solana great again. So this was when Solana was pumping, and it felt like a good time to ape something like this. So I found it on New Pairs, and I aped when it gave me a dip. Got it at 15k, started clipping a little bit, made a nice soul. So first off, head on over to Axiom, which makes all of this possible. Link in the description, 10% off fees, axiom.trade/walda. Now, as for the setup that I use no filters at all on New Pairs. I use a wallet tracker built into Axiom, and all the wallets I use are in RoyalFNF in the wallet section right here. Join up, it's free. We have so much stuff coming in, and we have really active members. Then since I have a second monitor, I use a Twitter tracker built in Axiom as well. Just take it out right here, and you can keep it at the side. I'm also in voice chat with a lot of the guys in Royal, because trading solo is honestly one of the worst experiences possible, and it's just straight torture. And it's always better to have multiple eyes whenever you're trading, because sometimes they'll spot things that you don't, or you spot things that they don't, and then you guys all cook together. So anyways, Axiom link in bio, and join RoyalFNF. A lot of good stuff coming in soon.